Hey guys, yo YouTubers. So this is my first video, and I'm just trying to introduce myself to YouTube. So please try to comment a video. Shoo. Okay, sorry about that. Now since I'm doing this thing, I'm also guessing to ask you guys to subscribe. So, I would like you guys to comment good things. As you can see, my absence are good. Please comment on that. I don't care because you are new people. La 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 la. So, as I was saying, this video coming next Wednesday. Hopefully, the video will come because I need my friends to be the actors. So guys, I wish um, it will come. So try to ask me, comment anything on my channel. If that video will come, a nerd video, many things, and I really like that. Uh, and try to post a comment to help me to get a new start, to, to take make a good start. And guys, please subscribe my first video. So yeah, that's really all. Thanks, and remember to subscribe. Thank you.